In this video, I will show you how to add bookmark in Chrome. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, it's quite easy to do. What you're going to want to do is come across to the web page that you want to bookmark. So in this example, I've just got google.com. Then if you come up to the address bar and you look at the end of the address bar, there's going to be this little star. So to bookmark this page, all you need to do is go ahead and click this star. As you can see, it says bookmark added. So what you can do is click on to edit and you can give this a name. So you can change this to whatever you want or leave it as Google. Then you can choose the folder that you want to save this to. So I'm just going to leave it saved into the bookmarks bar and then press done at the bottom. So now you'll see if we come up and click the three dots up in the top right hand corner, and what we're going to do is come down to bookmarks and lists, and you can see all my current saved bookmarks here. So you can see Google's just down here at the bottom. If at any point you want to remove the bookmark, again just come across to the bookmark page, and what you want to do is just click onto the blue star icon. As you can see, there is an option to remove, so just go ahead, click remove, and that's going to remove the blue from the star so you know this page is no longer bookmarked. So that's how to add bookmark in Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.